Right now, a planet the size of Jupiter is still drifting through the dark between the stars, and NASA has no way to stop it, no way to track it, and no idea how many more are coming. It has no sun, no orbit, no home. It is falling through the galaxy in total blackness, and it could already be closer than you think. But here's what nobody is telling you. They're called rogue planets, worlds without a star. Most planets are born locked in orbit, circling a sun like Earth circles ours, held in place, warmed, anchored. But these were thrown out, ejected, flung from the systems that made them, hurled into the cold by gravity gone wrong. And now they wander, alone, untethered, invisible. They give off almost no light, so our telescopes look right past them. We don't see them coming. We see them only by accident, when one drifts in front of a distant star and bends its light for a few hours. Then it's gone again. Scientists estimate there could be billions of these worlds in our galaxy alone, maybe trillions, more rogue planets than stars, and we have mapped almost none of them. Here's the part that should stop you cold. In 2011, astronomers caught something they couldn't explain. A microlensing survey, a technique that watches for the gravitational fingerprint of unseen objects, turned up a population of Jupiter-sized planets bound to no star at all, drifting free. And there were far too many of them. The math didn't work. There shouldn't be that many giant worlds wandering loose in the dark. To make that many rogues, you'd have to eject planets from young solar systems at a rate that defies our best models of how planets form. The numbers were impossible, and yet there they were. The galaxy was full of orphans nobody knew about, so the obvious answer was simple. These must be failed stars, objects too small to ignite, just floating clumps of gas. Case closed. Except it wasn't, because Webb looked closer. And what the James Webb Space Telescope found in the Orion Nebula broke the explanation entirely. Pairs, rogue planets traveling in pairs, orbiting each other with no star anywhere near them. They named them JUMBO, Jupiter Mass Binary Objects. And here's the problem. Nothing in physics says they should exist. You cannot easily eject two planets together and keep them bound. You cannot easily form them alone in empty space. They violate both theories at once. The smartest people at NASA looked at that data and admitted it out loud. We don't have a model for this. And this is the part they're most careful about how they say. Because if there are trillions of these worlds, the question stops being academic. It becomes personal. One of these rogue planets could be drifting toward our solar system right now, and we would not see it until it was nearly here. They are cold, dark, and silent. They emit no signal. A Jupiter-sized mass passing through the outer solar system wouldn't hit us, but it wouldn't need to. Its gravity alone could reach into the Oort cloud, the vast shell of frozen comets at the edge of everything we know, and stir it, nudge it, send a rain of comets falling inward toward the inner planets over thousands of years. This isn't a movie, it's a mechanism. Some scientists believe rogue worlds have passed near other stars and done exactly this. And here is what makes it worse. A rogue planet doesn't have to be huge to matter. Even a small one, dark and frozen, could carry a liquid ocean beneath a crust of ice, kept warm by its own internal heat with no sun at all. Life drifting through the void on a world that left its star a billion years ago. We have no way to confirm it and no way to rule it out. So think about what that actually means. Everything we believed about where life can exist, it assumed you needed a star, warmth from above, a habitable zone. But a rogue planet carries its heat inside. It needs nothing. It answers to no sun. If even a fraction of those trillions of orphan worlds hold buried oceans, then the galaxy isn't a handful of warm planets around scattered stars. It's an ocean of dark, drifting worlds, most of them invisible to us, any one of which could already be on a path through our neighborhood. We built our entire picture of the universe by counting the things that glow, and the things that glow may be the minority. The real galaxy, the one we can't see, is darker, fuller, and far stranger than the map we drew. NASA can name them. Webb can photograph the lucky few, but not one telescope on Earth can track where they are, how many there are, or where they're going next. They move in silence. They give no warning. And somewhere out there in the dark between the stars, one of them is falling right now, and the only question left is the one no scientist will answer on camera. How close has one already come, and how would we ever know before it was here?